आई थिंक मिनिस्टर साहब ने खुद ये बात हमें बताई है कि वो सेंसर बोर्ड है ही नहीं, वो सर्टिफिकेशन बोर्ड है। वो खुद इस बात से सहमत हैं, वो खुद इस बात के जानकार हैं। और बल्कि वो तो कह रहे थे कि हमें इसका नाम भी बदलना है, क्योंकि वो जब सी फॉर सर्टिफिकेशन आता है, लोग उसको सी फॉर सेंसर कभी कभी माइंड में कंफ्यूज कर देते हैं। तो उन्होंने कहा कि हम तो ये भी सोच रहे हैं कि हम इसको नाम ही इसका बदल दें, रेटिंग सिस्टम बोलें इंस्टेड ऑफ सर्टिफिकेशन। मुद्दे कई उठाए गए जो जो चीज़ें हम लोगों को कंसर्न कर रही थी, और मिनिस्टर साहब ने बड़े ध्यान से सुना, और जो जिस तरह से, जिस अंदाज से उन्होंने हमारी बातें समझी और रिसीव की, तो आई थिंक द इंटायर इंडस्ट्री इज़ वेरी hopeful, and we are very happy with the kind of response he gave us.
What the most important thing was that when we talk about an adult certificate, we talk about certification. It's a censor, it's a certification board. It's not a censor board. The word censor is a redundant word in today's times, which he completely agreed. The minister completely agreed. He said that we are here. In fact, he was very rightfully, he suggested a very nice thing. He said that instead of certification, because that C word creates a confusion between certification and censor, so change it to rating. I felt that was a very good idea. So that's what he said. I'll look at changing it to call it the film rating board, which is a very good sign.
The discussion was on issues, on ideas and suggestions. And the film industry and the members who were here came up with wonderful suggestions which we're going to take it forward. It was not on individuals. The film industry is one of our very important industries. I mean, they are ambassadors. The films are ambassadors. It's great for the economy, and they also have far-reaching impact on our culture. And we want to make our film industry even more stronger. And to that effect, I was visiting Mumbai on a certain official event, and they were having a meeting, and so I interacted with them. There are certain suggestions which have come up to do with the film certification, to do with certain clearances that the film industry requires time on and again. So these are the kind of things that we will work through other ministries to make things easier for the film industry. It's an ongoing process. I'm sure things will get better. The government is very clear. The government wants the scenes, the dialogues used, the words used in the context of the film, in the context of the script. And I'm sure the Film Certification Board, which is there, will look at it with that point of view as well.
देखिए, किसी एक व्यक्ति के प्रति ना हम बात करते हैं और ना मंत्री जी बात करते हैं। किसी एक व्यक्ति का इसमें कोई कंसर्न नहीं है। जो सिस्टम है उसको सही तरीके से काम करना चाहिए, फिर उसमें व्यक्ति कोई भी हो, आप हो, मैं हूँ, कोई भी रहे। और यही नज़रिया मिनिस्टर साहब का भी है, हमारा भी यही नज़रिया है कि व्यक्ति से इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, इम्पोर्टेंट ये है कि सिस्टम सही तरीके से काम करे।
See, I'll tell you, the principle of it has been discussed. There are a lot of problems. For instance, the fact that if I accept an adult certificate, then they say this word, that shouldn't be there, right? And that's not part of this. This is a Central Board of Film Certification. You can give me an adult certificate. You can't say, don't put this word, that word. So that's discussed. The fact that the promos of the film have to be recensored, even if it's if you have a 90-second song, then if I cut it to a 30-second promo, I've already censored the whole song, or the whole song has been certified. Now why make me go again for a 30-second cut of that? So that's a problem. There is no ban on any cuss word. Let us be clear. That is what is discussed, and that is why it should not be person-centric. The principle of it all is that, and that was discussed. We were not discussing anybody in particular. We are talking about the principle of it all. And that was discussed, and I don't think there is any ban. There is no ban, and that has been removed. I think it has been clarified rather, and that there is no such thing.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.